already tell that I'm stressed out because of this whole hair debacle.
Hi guys, so in today's video we're going to be doing my skincare, updated winter skincare routine, and also my oral care routine. Now I'm gonna go in with my water floss or water pick. This is from Walmart. You can also get these on Amazon. So babe started buying these Brush Buddies herbal toothpaste infused with charcoal. Don't know where to get these at. There's probably Walmart or the dollar store. But I've been using, and I also like toothpaste that have baking soda in it. My toothbrush is from Amazon, and this is the fill-in electric toothbrush. Because I like to go in with one of these. I'm going in with this part. So one part is for flossing, which is what I'm going to go in with first, and then the bottom part is to make sure you keep your gums, well, the bottom part is to make sure you keep your gums healthy. So your girl have two mouthwash. This one is the Theatre Breath, and then this is the Accent. I actually got this from my dentist. I'm going to use this one tonight.
Okay. It goes in the trash bag.
went to shop. I had both Kai and Milani, and when I go to shopping with them, it's a no. Kai was crying his head off, talking about he lost his toy. Milani was falling asleep as soon as I got in there. But I went to Ross to pick up some stuff. What I will say is, if you have kids and you're looking for toys at a good price, go check out Ross. It was really good. So I had on some tights from Amazon. My top is from Target. My same Brandon Blackwood bag that I've been wearing. Hat is from Walmart. And I had on my Yeezys with some nice comfy brown socks. And I looked real good, okay? Real good. But with that being said, I'm up out of here. So hi guys, the last time you guys saw me, I went to Ross. I'm in the process of filming a Christmas video, hair, makeup, outfit, which is why I look all done up. But yeah, that's what I'm doing today. The hair is giving. I also need to cook. So yeah, I'm about to go put the food on the stove and then get dressed and move my filming out to the living area. Okay, babe. So I'm on my second video. Filming content is a lot of work. Just zipping up this right here is a struggle. And babe is not here. Babe have Jaden's away game to go to that he took him to, and I'm home by myself. So this is really, I need to be able to show the back of the dress. Excuse my French, but so your girl is finished, and this is how in here looks. In here is a mess when I normally film. I'm almost done filming though. I have one other clip. I need to show my makeup with like a nice red lip because I want to show it to both. But that's all I have left. I'm gonna start cooking. Yeah. You need to go get your cup from off the table so I can get your juice. Bring your sisters. I need you to go get your cup cover. Huh? It's next to the bed.
I do with the remote? Can't find the remote. My phone has the remote on it, so. You okay, mommy? Okay, I'm trying to turn on the TV.
I'm gonna go in that room and change my diaper.
Okay, okay.
I'm gonna go in the other room and change my diaper.
The makeup is giving.
I
Anyways.
want to watch Sonic acting. Oh, that's the boss baby that I'm watching, mommy.
Okay, okay. So we just finished taking the pictures. If any of them come out good, I'll insert them. If not, you won't see them, or they'll probably be in the on the thumbnail. But everybody is dressed. That's everybody's outfit.
And dress.
Kai's pants is a little bit too big. It keeps falling down, but it's okay. I'm about to clean up and finish cooking, and that's all we're doing today. So until tomorrow, I think tomorrow I have my hair to do. I'll see you guys then. Deuces. Say bye.
Bye.
Say cheese, mommy. You see? Cheese. 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 Put your hand down. How are you saying cheese with your hand up? All right. Cheese. Cheese.
Okay, your hands.
All right.
Say cheese.
Cheese. Wait. Let's take a picture and send it to your dad.
Picture my picture. Ew. It says
Look. Come, mommy.
This is my
Cheese.
cheese. Really nice of it.
Wait, my phone light is all the way down. Oh, my battery's about to die.
Yeah.
Say cheese.
Cheese.
Don't tell him greasy. Looking at the footage for my oral care and my skincare routine, and the first portion of that video is super dark, so I'm gonna do over the skincare portion, and then you guys will see me doing the oral care in the video. So I like to go in with, let's see. So first I'm gonna start off with Clinique Take the Day Off, and this is a balm. I like to rub this on my face. And I would normally use tool wipes to get as much makeup off my face as possible. It's been a long day. My lace is lifting. Don't mind.
So for my cleanser, I either like to go in with my oil-free acne wash. This has salicylic acid in it, or my black soap. I'm gonna go in with my Neutrogena soap because I was wearing makeup. And if you have sensitive skin like me, if I don't take off my makeup properly, especially around my cheeks, I'm gonna wake up with a pimple. I like to go in with this silicone. And I'm gonna wash my face off. To use one of these. Pat dry. And throw it away. So since I was wearing makeup, I like to go in with a glycolic toner. And I know you guys are gonna say this is a lot of chemicals, blah blah blah, but this is what has been working for me. I either go with the Pixie Glow Tonic or the Mario Badescu Alpha Grapefruit Cleansing Lotion. I'm gonna go with the Pixie. I use one of these. And these are from Sephora. These cotton pads are from Sephora. They're the Shiseido cotton pads that I love a lot. I don't know why. So after that, I like to go in with my hyaluronic essence. So next I like to go in with my Gold Molecules hyaluronic acid boosting essence, and I just put this in my hand. You know, my hands clean because I just washed my face. And this is just gonna balance out the pH, give me some moisture, because I use a lot of chemicals a while ago. I like to put it on my neck and my décolleté, so on my hands. After that, I go in with my active ingredients, and I go in with my benzoyl peroxide, or I either go in with my benzoyl peroxide or my retinol, because I use so many active ingredients in my toner and my face wash. I'm gonna go in with benzoyl peroxide because my skin is a bit accustomed to this benzoyl peroxide, so it doesn't really dry my skin out that much anymore. And then let that sit a little bit. After the active ingredients, I like to go in with my Fade serum. This is a discoloration serum. My skin is super sensitive, so even if I don't pop a pimple on my face, as long as my
as long as my even if I don't pop a pimple on my face, as long as my skin is raised, I get a dark mark. And I've been using this for about a good month. I can definitely see a big difference. I'm definitely gonna get the other one. I think Faded is what it's called. I need another one, another discoloration serum. This has been doing wonders, and I'm sure when I go get my chemical, when I do my chemical peel in a month, my skin is gonna look even better. So after that, I'm gonna let that sit a little bit. I'm going in with the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask in Mango. And I'm gonna go in with my Belief Moisturizing Balm. I normally use the Aqua Balm underneath my makeup and also during the day. But at night I need something a little bit more thick, especially now that it's winter. Hi, babe. Next, I'm going in with the Ordinary Rose Hemp Oil. This is so hi. The last time you guys saw me, I was taking pictures with the kids, or actual Christmas pictures. I think I got a few pictures that came out good, but I was saying that I had an appointment, a hair appointment. I did. First of all, I was late to my appointment and she canceled my damn appointment. So that is the end of my week. I'm not really in the mood, and